Say you're driving down the road and you're hearing some weird noises coming every time you hit a bump, feeling some looseness when you're making a left or right turn, could be a cause of concern for your suspension. You could have an older vehicle that just may not have had the suspension replaced recently, and you'll get situations to where bushings will start to break into pieces and fall out, and then you'll lose stability in some of the areas that are controlling it. This would be a sway bar link. And then you could also have leaks and seepage. This one is leaking. Older vehicles tend, after they sit for a while and you drive them, you start to drive up and down, get the fluid pumping in the shocks, they'll leak. Your rear or front end will get very springy and it'll feel like you're riding a bunking bronco. It's always good if you have a noise concern to come and get it checked out before it can wear out your tires and other components. And if you need a quote or any more information, you should come to Affordable Automotive.